Hi guys, Nini sa Inglaterra in here. Andito ako ngayon sa Hyde Park. Actually, it's in Kensington Park. In between Kensington Park at Hyde Park. Dito ang mga birds. Nabibigyan mo ng sa yung mga parrot, mga birds. Look, they're very nice but I don't have food. So, hello. Hello. I don't have food. I want to have. Hello, birdie. I want to get. Where is it? Do I have food? Parang wala akong food eh. No, we don't have food, guys. Can I have some a little bit? Sorry. Hello. Oh. Hello. Oh, the birdie. No? You're scared with you, darling. Oh, look at that. Oh, so sweet. That's so sweet. I don't have. Sorry. Tomorrow. Like, look at that. They're feeding. Oh my God. No. Don't. You're gonna feed them. Where's the bread? I don't have bread. Look at that. Hello. Oh, so sweet. So sweet. Can I have a little bit? I wanted to put in my hand. Can I have some? Just a little bit. Hello. Hello. Come. Come to me. Come. Come. In here. Come. Hello. Oh, so sweet. In here. Come on. Oh. There you go. No. You scared. Come on. Come on. No. Bella. Stay. That's why. You're scared. They're afraid. No. No. Stay. 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 Come on. Yes? You like it? Yes? You like it? Oh, so cute. Hello. Come on. Yes, in here. Come on. Come on. Oh, how are you? No, Belle. No, Talula. No. 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 Stop it. Stop it. I'm gonna have this. No. Go. Not in there. No. Oh my God. Stop. I go. Come on. Come. Oh, Bella. No. Here we go. Oh, they're so sweet. Come on. Come. Come to me. Come. Andito ako guys ngayon sa nagpapakain ng bird. Look. tingnan mo, oh. Ang ganda nila, ang cute. Come on. Yummy. Yummy. Nandito sila sa kamay ko. Huwag maingay. At ay. Come on. Come. Yes, another one coming. Hey, hello, my birdie. Hello. No, Bila. Stop. Natakot sila sa aso ko, guys. Kala nila anhin sila sa aso ko. Come. No, it's alright. Come. 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 Oh. Come. Come here. This way. Come. Yay. Like it. How about you? Oh. No, it's alright. It's alright. Don't be afraid. Come. Come to me. Come to me. Yeah. Hello. Hello. You like it? Wow. Oh. Next. Oh. You wanna share? Oh. Oh, they're kissing each other. My God. Don't. Bella. Stop it, Bella. There's a banana here. Coming down. Oh, where's banana? Where's banana? Is this? Oh my God. No, 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 no. Banana. Stop. Come on. Whose banana is this?
Yeah, no, I don't think they like it.
I don't know. Try. Come on. Come. You like it? You like it? No, you don't like it? You don't like it? Banana. Oh, you don't like it? You don't like banana? You don't like banana? Yes? You don't like banana? You don't like banana? No, they don't like banana. You don't like banana? Oh.
No banana?
No, doesn't like it. He doesn't like.
Let's go. Come on, get away.
Just a picture.
Come on. You don't like bananas?
No,
You don't like bananas? Okay. How about you? Come on. Do you like this? Hmm?
Nope. Nope. They took a picture.
You like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? No? Oh. Girls, no, that's why. Oh, so cute. Oh my God.
I got one! Someone get it off my head.
Jamar. Come on.
Not too sure of banana, are they?
They don't like
Banana skin.
Orange, fluffy orange.
banana skin.
It doesn't even cool.
No more. What do you think? Do you like this? Hmm? You scared the dog. Like it? Yummy, isn't it? Isn't it yummy? Oh, oh,
You try that one.
yeah. Orange. You try. You try. Yeah, sometimes you just. Yummy? Oh, is it yummy? Yummy. Yes. Right. Juice. I think pumpkin seed. Oh, they don't like it.
I'm gonna go like this.
They like pumpkin seed tomorrow, guys. Oh, let's go now. They are very sweet. You don't like banana?
Apple, grapes.
Oh, grapes. Yes. Okay, tomorrow.
Like very much.
Apple, banana. Can I have this?
Sunflowers.
Yes, sunflower seed tomorrow. No, move there. No, no.
They love apple, grapes, peanuts.
Peanuts. Okay.
No salt and no sugar.
Not the salty one.
Flowers.
Oh, okay. Tomorrow.
It's the best
Okay.
restaurant in town for them. They are not very keen in bananas, so the squirrel yes.
Oh, okay.
Babies, they are babies.
No, stop it.
They just come out from the nest and they are shedding new feathers. So all of these are babies, most of them, yes.
Oh, really?
And look, that one is a boy, a grown-up boy. For play, yes, what they call wild wing nest. So this one, you see? This one you have to feed it, look.
Oh.
Because they don't see very well.
Oh.
You have to talk so they know if they're hearing that you are around. But if you try to touch it, they bite you, and it's not because they want to run. It's because they are insecure.
Yeah.
They are babies. They don't know. They are learning to eat by hand. Some people are cruel and come and pull their feathers. This is very
Come here. In here.
The name is wild wing mentality.
Oh.
That's the name. What about with the red on the It's a grown
Yes.
up.
Yes, in here.
As
In here.
soon as they have the very blue ring, it's a grown up.
Ah, okay.
This is a little baby.
Oh, there now. Come on, girls. Come on.
Because
Oh.
it's jelly.
Oh. Like it? You like it? Yes. You like it? You like it? You like it?
They are fighting because they are fighting for the food, their baby.
Oh, you like it? It's yummy, isn't it? Yeah. Isn't it? It's yummy. It's yummy. Come to me here. Come to me here. Yeah? You like it? Oh. Another one coming. Here, here, here. Here. This way. This way. In here. In here. In here.
Oh, it's okay. I am safer here.
Yeah?
And nobody
You want to
will
go?
attack me and nobody will take my food.
Oh. Come on. Come here. In here. Oh. Stop, Bella Talula.
So when they start, I cut pieces because they think
Oh, so sweet.
take away.
Oh, you love it. Yummy. No more. You finish all of it. It's not one for you. Okay, in here. You want some? Share? 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 Yeah? Is it yummy?
You have confidence.
Mm. Yummy. Yummy. No more. Oh, oh. No more. We're happy eating the rice. Here we go. Yes. Here we go. Come to me. Come, come. Come, share, 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 share. Like it? Okay. Yummy. What? Oh. No more? It's gone. Oh. So sweet. No more. Oh.
Let's get a picture for me.
No. No. So cute.
That one's lovely, Alfie. It's got a ring on her.
What's that grown-up?
Grown-up boy.
And we got one! We got one!
Do you even need to?
We got
stop. You're full. Oh, come on. Come on, no more. No more. No more. Hello. Okay, you can bite my hand, my finger. Ouch! I said you bite my finger. You bite really? Nothing? Yes. Nothing. Yes. Gonna bite? Nothing? Oh. Hello. Hello. I like. Oh, nothing? Okay, tomorrow. Oh, so sweet. No more. No more food. Okay? Ouch! Because no more food if you bite my finger. They said, why did you feed me without food? You, come on, let's go.
Got more than one.
Ah, that's my finger.
Oh, yeah. It's nice. So cute.
Come here.
So cute. Here we go.
It's not that sharp on it.
Oh, there's an apple. There's an apple coming out. I'm gonna try. Oh no, don't eat. Don't eat.
Don't get my finger.
Hello. Come. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come. You want this up? Come, come, come. Yes, it's an apple. Oh, oh! You took all the. It's gone. It's gone. No more. You don't like orange, I think. Uh-oh.
She said the squirrels will come and get the fruit.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Squirrels. Oh, that's not yours, darling. That's not yours. Oh. Okay, let's go. See you tomorrow, guys. Okay, we will go there to the... No. Feeding the birds. Just the ducks in here. May pulis. Nagro-robing. Ito, welcome Henry Morris to Ark. Here we go. The Royal Parks. Here we go. This is the park. Oh. Morris to Ark. Oh, yan. Police car. Nagro-robing. Kaya safety dito, guys. Ladlakad ka dito. May mga police. Hello. Gonna go home. Gonna go home. Yes. Don't go there, huh? In here. In here. In here. This way. Okay. Here. This way, Bella. Tell Lola. You wanted to play? They're playful. Okay, you can run. Play. Play. Yes. Have your play date. No, no, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Is it all right? Is it puppy? It's the puppy. Okay, Bella. Not too much, Bella. It's the puppy. Is it all right? Okay.
She loves it.
All right, good. Because sometimes you're gonna be irritated, you know. Oh my God.
She loves it.
Okay, good. Also, my dog is like to run. Okay, go, 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 run. Here, this way. This way, run. Come here, this way. Run. This way. Oh my God. Okay, go. Run, play. Yay, you're gonna play. Yes. Go. Run. Run. No, enough. Okay, let's go. Sa kabagnutan. Andito ako sa damuhan. Oh, what are you eating, Bella? No. Ito daw si Bella. Bisag unsay kahit anong mahawa, makita, lalamunin. Talaga naman to. So Lola, this way. Come on. So Lola. Ito yung ano dito. So Lola, this way. Kagandahan dito kasi merong shade. This way. Come on. What are you doing there? Come. What's in there? Ano ba yan? Ano ba to? Hindi mo alam kung ano to eh. Parang, ano kaya to dito ron? Akala ko CR. First time ko nakarating dito banda eh. Lucky kasi. Bella! Sa Lola! This way! Inikot ko kung ano talaga to. Bell! Hindi eh. Ewan ko ba kung ano yan. Pagka-shade lang. Girls! Kalaki ng ano, park. Yan, naglalakad ako. Andito lang kami. Galing ako sa ibon. Oh! What are you having there? No. Kaganda ng life. Kaganda sa park. Kung wala lang trabaho, kasarap maupo dito at magpa-chill-chill lang. Come! Ito yun. Ito yun ang nandito na ako sa Hyde Park. Okay. Gonna go home. This way, Belle. Talola. Okay, can run. If you want to run, come. Where are you? Tapos, trick niya. Pag malayo na, tatakbo yan. Okay, come over here. We're done. Okay, guys. Don't forget to click my channel. Nini sa Inglaterra. Bye. God bless. Thank you.